Welcome back to another episode of Tech Tuesday. I'm MJ, your product support manager here at JBS Equipment. In today's video, we're going to be going over track tension on a JBS silage bagger. Our silage bagger is equipped with a very robust set of tracks that hold the machine during bagging and enable movement in between bags. They do require a small amount of maintenance and a few things you need to keep an eye on. First and foremost is track tension. Track tension can be adjusted with this tool, and I'll show you where you have to install it in order to add grease in order to increase track tension. We'll also go over at what height the track should be to set proper tension. There is a cutout in each one of the tracks underneath the engine, underneath the cab. You will take your little tool here, you will slide it in through the hole and hook it on. Just like so. There's a grease fitting on the end of it, and we would add grease in order to increase track tension. During your daily inspection, if you notice that the track chain here is sagging below the wheels or well below the wheels, add grease using the track tension tool until the chain slips just up inside of these rollers. That is the optimal and perfect track tension for the JBS silage bagger. Well, that concludes this episode of Tech Tuesday. For more videos, check out the Tech Tuesday playlist on our YouTube channel. And as always, if you have a video idea that you'd like to see, leave it in the comment section below. Take care.